sit down.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, class. Did you hear about the news?
What about
No.
The news about the great tsunami which caused the Philippines to be out.
What?
Do you want it to happen in this country?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Halo, can you give the definition of Deathrates?
Okay, bona.
Miss Balakay, why are you late?
Because of the weather is raining.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Miss Halo, will you please differentiate it now?
Death rate is the number of deaths in a country.
Okay, thank you for that very nice answer.
Very nice.
This lesson makes aware of the price.
A researcher reports that the average death rates in population trust in the year 2011 is less than 5,000. A sample of 6 cases of death has a mean of 3,460 at alpha is equal to 0.10. Test the claim that the average death rate in population trust is less than 5,000 in the year 2011. The standard deviation of the population is 325. The first step is we have to identify the hypotheses, which are the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is mu is less than 5,000 and the null hypothesis is mu is greater than or equal to 5,000. And if you will read our problem, you will find out that the claim is the alternative hypothesis. And the second step is to know our CV or critical value. According to the z-test distribution, if we are in the alpha or level of significance of 0.10, it would be equal to 1.28. Step 3 is to apply the z-test. And the formula for the z-test is mean minus mu divided by the standard deviation population. Standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
which is equal to 3,460 minus 5,000 divided by 325, which is our standard deviation, divided by the square root of 6. According to my cell phone calculator, 3,460 minus 5,000 is equal to negative 1,540 divided by 3 to 5 divided by square root of 6 is equal to negative 11.6. Okay, step 4 is we have to draw it. And in our step 2, I made a mistake. We have to correct it. It should be a negative 1.28 because in our claim, the direction of the lesser than sign is to the left, so it's negative. So we will draw it now. Draw. This one should not touch this one line. So our CV is negative 1.28. That's our CV. So if someone will pass through this will be our critical value. Then our TV is negative 11.6. Our TV. So therefore, we have to reject null hypothesis. And for our step 5 is we have to make a decision. So reject the null hypothesis. So our alternative hypothesis is accepted. So therefore, I conclude that the average death rates in 2011 at population stress is less than 5,000. Period. That's all. Thank you.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your gospel. Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.